going by.
There's a little bit more rides.
It's like jam-packed.
Here we go.
Places that have trees all the way around, so it's like it's not that bad.
Today was a good day. Well, yesterday would have been a better day because it was like, wow.
Here we go. Here we go. Jacob, wait.
That was Jacob's favorite ride.
That was Jacob's favorite ride so far, Michael.
What was your favorite so far,
The
Maya?
super truck. I'm like, what?
He wasn't a passenger to come back on it.
Well, how about I could go on? I didn't know that. The lady was holding it.
Oh, man.
Oh, I just get nervous when it's so heavy. I feel like,
There's a lot of places to eat here, though.
that's why I didn't tell you not to bring your hand.
That I like.
How's,
because
how, how's the price?
you guys want to get something to eat soon?
Well, you guys couldn't go in here. Why? There was little?
You need a parent.
One,
Well, what about you guys? Oh, one per.
And only two.
I said, we could have all three of us could fit in there, but they were like,
That's cool. This one goes around
this
the.
one everybody waits for.
It goes on the bridge and
No, but
everything.
you should see the one in this.
How about the bumper cars? They do that?
Well, yeah. Take care of that.
Bumper
Big
car?
project.
But this one at Disney is such a nice ride.
I'll tell you, New Jersey's nice because we have a lot of places to go. You know, like down the shore we can drive and do stuff like this, or up north. We have camp. I mean, it's
Elephant.
really the best of both worlds.
Big elephant. And look at the rhino. Look at the big elephant. And that is going to be a picture of.
Yeah, the train's going faster than the car.
Just look. That person's petting me. I don't know if it's...
Look at the animals. Turtle.
Imagine having a house. You're just like, alright.
What happened? We get to go out?
Yeah.
You guys have fun on the choo-choo train?
Yeah, kids can't come here because they got.
There's no way. I knew that was something. I was like, what? Look how big that giraffe is.
You think she jumped off the train to get her? Yeah, because then people will try jumping on the train, off the train.
I'm gonna take that. How she got that far? I would love to take my kid and put him on the door and take a picture. I mean, we were in one.
Does the race car only go around once? Or what?
Yeah. The one at Disney, you actually race, man.
Is Patrick gonna do bumper cars, Ron?
No, I mean, he's weird.
You could,
With this,
see, here sometimes they have bands, and
the water slide.
here's something like bands play music and stuff
Jacob
sometimes.
said he's gonna do this water slide, right?
Yeah, Fido will do it.
Yeah?
Water slide. It's a slide.
That's a big slide. You sure you're gonna do it? Alright. Game?
Well, how are you supposed to know you're not allowed that too?
Look, wow. Shop.
Yeah. That thing's crazy. You don't want to go in there, huh, Ron? That's crazy, Ron.
That music is so loud.
Yeah.
This one, I don't like this.
I love this one. I'm going to this.
Yeah.
You are?
I love it.
It's like no point for me. It's like all I'm gonna do is just get sick. I'd rather do scary rides than twists. sure will go on.
I don't like those.
You're afraid that it's gonna hook and go flying into the plate. Teacups.
Did you like the choo-choo train ride, Mike? It's fun, huh?